Want to try Ubuntu Linux without changing your main computer? In this video, I'll show you how to install Ubuntu in VirtualBox for a safe, easy virtual experience right on your Windows system. Let's get started. Step 1. Download VirtualBox and Ubuntu. First, go to virtualbox.org and download VirtualBox for Windows. Under VirtualBox Platform Packages, download Windows Host. Next, visit ubuntu.com/download/desktop and grab the latest Ubuntu ISO file. Save these where you can easily find them. Step 2. Install VirtualBox. Run the VirtualBox installer and follow the prompts. Use the default options and allow any network installation warnings. When done, launch VirtualBox. Step 3. Create a new virtual machine. In VirtualBox, click New. Name your VM Ubuntu. VM folder where Virtual Machine installed. You can change it if you want use different location. Select ISO image Ubuntu download earlier. Set type to Linux and version to Ubuntu 64-bit. Specify virtual hardware. Allocate at least 2 GB RAM or more if you can, and number of CPU at least 2 for better performance. Create a new virtual hard disk. Choose VDI, then dynamically allocate it. Set disk size to at least 25 GB. Click Finish button. Step 4. Start and install Ubuntu. Click Start to launch your VM. The Ubuntu install screen opens. Click Try or Install Ubuntu. Choose language and keyboard layout and continue. For installation type, select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. It only affects the virtual disk. Create login username and password for Ubuntu. Follow remaining prompts and wait for installation to finish. When prompted, installation may take 10 to 15 minutes. Wait until process going on. After installation finish, virtual machine will restart. That's it. You now have Ubuntu running in VirtualBox. Play around, install apps, and enjoy exploring Linux right on your Windows PC. Keep watching video to finish Ubuntu installation. If this video helped you to install Ubuntu on your Windows machine, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.